Understanding the power of positive thinking. In our daily lives, there are numerous challenges that can cause stress and anxiety. While everyone experiences tough situations, the way we perceive and deal with these challenges significantly impacts our mental health and overall well-being. This article delves into a powerful method to combat these problems by addressing the root cause of stress and confusion, the mind. The roots of stress and confusion. The influence of unseen forces. Stress and confusion often stem from what can be described as an unknown fear or negative energy. This is when our brains are consumed with illusions that are not rooted in reality, leading to anxiety and indecision. For instance, a perfectly healthy person may still be plagued by irrational fears about their well-being. Similarly, a capable professional may constantly worry about job security or business failure despite having no real reason to. Students too often find themselves battling exam anxiety or social pressures, which can severely impact their performance. This state of mind, where negative thoughts dominate, can lead to a condition where our brains become overwhelmed with these illusions and fears. These fears are often not based on any tangible evidence but can significantly disrupt our peace of mind, decisions, and progress in life. The impact of weak planets. According to the video, one explanation for this phenomenon is the influence of weak planets. When an individual's astrological planets are weak, they are more susceptible to negative energy or even black magic. This makes their minds more vulnerable to the continuous cycle of fear and anxiety. Whether one believes in astrology or not, the concept highlights that external influences can play a role in our mental health. Personal observations and experiences. The speaker shares anecdotal evidence to support this theory, noting that many people have reached out to him describing similar scenarios of unwarranted fear. Despite not having any concrete reasons for their anxiety, these individuals live in a constant state of unknown fear, which disrupts their lives significantly. Combating negative energy. A magical remedy. To counteract these issues, a simple yet powerful remedy is recommended. The method targets this negative energy directly, aiming to transform the mind state from one of confusion and fear to clarity and peace. The Venus Solution. A step-by-step guide. 1. What to do. On a Wednesday, take a white piece of paper and draw a fish shape on it, similar to the example provided in the video. Inside the fish shape, write the number 4 times 4444. 2. Where to place it. Fold this paper and keep it either in your pocket or in your locker. 3. Timing is crucial. It is imperative to perform this ritual on a Wednesday. Doing it on any other day will not yield the desired results. Although this practice might seem unusual, it is said to have magical effects. By carrying out this simple technique, one can expect immediate results. As early as the first day, a person may start to feel their mind gradually calming. This process helps the mind to get stronger and more resilient each day. Embracing the solution. Observing the changes. Once this remedy is in place, the impact on a person's mental state can be quite profound. As the mind becomes stronger and more peaceful, the negative illusions begin to dissipate. Without these constant fears and anxieties, individuals can make clear, confident decisions and focus on their life goals. Trusting the process. One of the key aspects of this remedy is to trust in its efficacy. The speaker reassures that through his own observations and experiences, the method does indeed work as promised. The process effectively wards off negativity, fostering a state of mental peace and strength. Benefits of the remedy. With sustained mental peace, one can expect several life improvements. Enhanced decision-making abilities. Increased focus and concentration. Reduced stress and anxiety. Overall progress in personal and professional spheres. Improved relationships with others due to a more stable and positive mindset. Conclusion. Mental strength and clarity are crucial for a fulfilling life. Often, our fears and anxieties are not based on real threats but are products of a mind overwhelmed by negative energy. The remedy discussed is a powerful aid in combating this negativity, helping the mind become resilient and peaceful. By implementing this remedy with faith, you can transform your mental state, leading to a more productive and satisfying life. Belief in the process, combined with its consistent application, promises magical results, ensuring that you stay on the path of progress and success. As always, incorporating such practices into your life warrants an open mind and a commitment to trust in the journey.